Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizers TV. I say this is Prizers TV, and I am here once more. I'm here because of this beautiful development that you are seeing on my screen.
So there will be the rail system in Marina. Underneath that Marina station, we will develop a bus terminal that will have the BRT buses coming all the way from Ikorodu to that location. We will have other buses from various routes terminating and taking off from there. We will also have the first and last mile buses coming away from them. We will have the walkways that will allow you to use NMT out of the station. We will have the cycle racks. You yourself can bring your bikes, lock it up at the Marina station and get on the train. So all of that is what we intend to develop, and there will be a transit-oriented development building, that building that you can see, which will have cinema, will have offices, will have restaurants, will have little shops, so you can...
Believe me, today is one of my best days in life because I love seeing infrastructural development pumping up from here and there. And what I have for you today is exceptional. It's something that I never expected that would come so soon, but glory be to God, it has arrived. Now, based on my caption, you have already known what we are going to talk about, but what I have for you today is deeper than what you are seeing on the caption, because this thing needs an explanation. Otherwise, you people are going to make a lot of mistake because you trusted the caption 100%. No, what I have on board here is mind-blowing. It's something that I never expected that would happen. Well, what you are looking at right now is Lagos, Nigeria. And this place is Marina. And this place is what is going to be built at Marina, as this lady is explaining it here. Now, but not only this lady, as you heard it from the chairman of Lamata. Now, but let me explain it the way you will understand it, because sometimes when you watch video on YouTube, you are not going to get into details. And this is the reason this channel is very, very good, because we go deeper to explain everything to you. Now, listen, what you are seeing is Marina. Many of you know that at Marina currently is a blue line train known as Blue Line Rail. It is working now 24/7, and what I mean is this train. This train is what I mean by Blue Line Rail. Now, if you go to Marina, this train is working and the terminal building is there. But that is the only thing you see here. This is Marina. The next thing you see is this ship and two boats, loading and offloading, and the container. This is like a mechanic village. Under the train station, it's like a mechanic village. Now, when you come here, there is an empty space that is used by nobody. Sometimes marketers come, they park their vehicle here. Sometimes importers come, they pay for space and station their containers here, and so on and so forth. It is looking like no man's land. Here, there is something like filling station at the middle of nowhere. And a car park road also pass here. You see one van, yellow van, and unbelievable. Now, this thing is going to metamorphose into, or that place you are seeing is going to metamorphose into this. And as well metamorphosing into this. Instead of having this type of boat you see here, and no, they are going to be chased away. And who made it possible? Well, before I continue, because there are so many beautiful things I will have to show you about this development, okay? So, but before I continue, I will have to go deeper into how everything started, so that many of you who are not following me or who have just started following us today will know what happened. Well, nothing happens without a reason. When you see a good development, there are people behind it. And this is the reason I have always agitated for every state, every country in Africa as well, to have what they call town planners. Lagos State has it, and she calls it Physical Planning Committee. Lagos State just inaugurated their own this month. Look at them. They are swearing in their job. If you read what is here, it is say, today I inaugurated the Lagos State Physical Planning and Building Control Appeal Committee at Lagos House Marina. These are the people. These are the people. Now, the first project these people announced they are going to carry on is what I showed you here. And over here is that the Marina will be the city center of Lagos. Nobody is allowed to build house in Marina anymore. If you like, bring 200 billion. Nobody will sell any space for you here. You see this place? This place is now being declared as the city center. And what is going to be covered here? That is what we are here to explain. You see this, all these things, they will clean here up, turn this place into a mega city. Most of all this peak roof building or hip roof, based on how you want to call it, they are all going to be demolished. This Marina is going to be city center of Lagos. That is their first choice. And what are they going to build there? Let's go in detail. Now, this place covers everything. If you remember, I was here trying to explain that there is a blue line train. Now, here, let me go back. There is a blue line train here, and the blue line train is going to remain. Under the blue line train, there will be jetties that will be carrying ferries. Ferries will be dropping people here from different places. This place is like, you know, they have bus stop, they have train terminal, and they have jetty where ships also drop. That is what is going to be here. Okay, so, but one important thing of all is what you see here. Bus terminal will be under as well. As blue line train is dropping you, you are taking bus here directly to where you are going to. If you look, you can see pedestrian walkway passing from here. You see it? Under the shelter is pedestrian walkway. That is going to protect you from rain and so on and so forth. You come direct, bus has already parked here. If you remember, I said it. Now let's go back to the old image. Now here, there is a bus known as Molue, yellow bus. Okay, let's go back to where we were before. Here, the yellow bus will be replaced with this long bus you see, known as BRT buses. No yellow bus in on this sketch. This means Lagos is going to metamorphose into a mega city. Now, this is explanation of what is happening at the left side of us. But here, there is a pedestrian bridge that crosses over here, known as Skywalk. So if you drop with blue line and you want to take another train, the other train that which you can get here is red line train also is reaching here. You can branch here, cross over, and land into a different train here again. See it? That train also is going to be suspended on A. Look at it. Known as a sky train. Okay? A train that is on flyover. They are going to build a similar rail attached to this one from here, as you see, to mile 2, and from mile 2 past to airport. From airport going almost at the boundary of Ogun State, known as Agbado. Agbado is the final bus or train stop or train terminal. Now, over here, you can see the bridge how it is. You can see the other bridge. This bridge is now in existence. Okay, this one is on existence, but this one has not yet started. And there is a road here going to demarcate. Well, this one has started, sorry, but the one that has not started is up there. There is another bridge entirely that is not this one. This one is road. Okay, this is not the bridge there is a bridge here, but there is no bridge here yet for red line. Okay, now and if we go down again, you see that they made a place for pedestrian and for taxis. Therefore, if you want to take taxi, you can actually say taxi here, book one, and the taxi will carry you. Just as it is in Europe. Now the taxis will queue online. You see how they are queuing online? First to come, first to serve. I mean, the first taxi will be the one to load. This is just like an airport. It's no more anybody shouting name. Urile, Igamo, Igami. No. It's not going to happen like that. And that is what they do. Now, there is a walkway again that pass here. This walkway, we could not get it very clearly. But when it reached down here, there is a pedestrian walkway they can take to cross to left. Now, and over here, if you want to take taxi and you drop from a train here, from this blue line, what you will do is when you drop inside here, there is an escalator that brings you here. You descend and you follow this route until you come to take bus. But what if you want to take a taxi? Then, if you want to take taxi, you will not descend there. You continue and you pass this blue flyover that is at the center here and descend this place at the center here. From there, you walk into the taxi. Wow! This is like an airport. And believe me, the physical planners, they really did a very nice work. Now, let's go again and we'll show you how everything is. Now, as we said earlier, seeing it from above, this one is the blue line train which exists now, but maybe need a repaint. This is the train coming into it. Remember, this is prototype, right? After the blue line train, there is a road under, and if you check here, there is a pedestrian walkway that is covered, which we have talked about. This pedestrian walkway actually leads to taxi. Now, there is a road here known as Express or Road, and after that, you see on the road, this pedestrian walkway also connects to another pedestrian walkway that is here, which is going to lead to red light by the right. Wow! Red line, I mean, by the right. So over here is the jetty, okay, packed by the sea. And what you see here is actually the Lagos Blue Line Rail. Then let's go one by one so that you don't miss everything. This is a road getting close to there. No need to explain this one. We have explained what is happening here. We have explained what is happening here. And we have not explained what happened here. Now, what happened here is that this is the Marina. This is the Blue Line train station. And over here is actually the sea. This is where the ferry will be bringing people and dropping people. Down here is a bus here, as you can see, and above there is another bus terminal known as Red Line Train. Red Line Train. Now, over here, no, this one, no. Then we continue. This is how it's explained again over here. Okay, we can see it here. These are the town planners who are going to make this place possible. Wow, wow. Every state must do this first. Otherwise, you will chunk everybody at the same place. Now, here is actually another design which is very, very close, but this one is for the jetty. This one is for the jetty, for the ship. See the ship that is bringing people over here and crossing over to another road. And here we have explained here, this one is the bus stop as people are filling the bus and the bus is leaving. And if you check under this shelter, you will see a road here, and this shelter is protecting people from rainfall. And believe me, this place looks like an airport. And the best decision ever Lagos has made is what you are seeing. See how everywhere is looking beautiful. Wow! This is Lagos, Nigeria. This is Lagos, Nigeria. I said it that if care is not taken, Lagos is going to metamorphose into a big city if they have people who can control development. Now remember, the place we have been showing you is actually here, presently, today. If you go to the place, this is how it will look. This is how it will look. And it is going to be amazing to see this being completed and being done properly as it is shown. Now, if you go there today, this is how the jetty area also look. If you check down here, everything is still dirty, not looking good. This is water and unbelievable. So Lagos need actually a development. So here there are spaces and which is going to make it possible, and that is going to be a mind-blowing thing. And one thing I love now is not because of the development alone, but because if you have followed my channel, I have always cried for city center. There must be a center where everybody is dropping. That place has to look beautiful. It has not finished, because they must create parks. which is very important. I have not seen a park here. They must create parks, because I have not seen any of them, and I believe there is a space for it. There is a space for park, because now, taking a look on this, there is much space. So we cross our finger to make sure that they have to create a road, an empty road that nobody is using, but people can go there and relax by this place. No matter how much a plot of land is costing here, that thing is the most important things I have seen. Of course, they did a little bit here, as when I take a look on the image here, there are spaces here under the bridge, but that is not enough. It's not enough. We need more park. We need empty space. So, but believe me, what they are doing is actually a marvelous thing. But the more empty space they create, the more the congestion is happening in Lagos. Why is everywhere being congested? Is because they did not create empty space. They need empty space created for nobody. Tight. If they don't know what they will do there, they put fountains, water, and decorate it. Put palm trees, decorate it. And thank God that this space still remain. This is going to save Lagos a lot. And I know whoever left this place in the beginning actually thought about what is happening today. Otherwise, this place would have been sold years back. And remember, this place now turning into city center, more building will come here and take over. Not this peak roof. This peak roof will be knocked down, used as parks. But the little space that will remain for building must be for skyscraper as well. So thank you very much for watching. I know that you've been watching Prizers TV. I am actually happy today about the news which I brought to you, and it is amazing news. It is amazing news. Believe me, I never know that Lagos is actually planning for something as heavy as this. This is going to break record, and Lagos is going to get it right this time. Not only Lagos, many states are going to get it right. For many times, our people have neglected pedestrian walkways, bicycle lane, parks, and those things. Those things are actually what is known as a city. First of all, you need a city center, which is this one they are creating. After city center, you need a park. Why the space? Decorate it like you never decorated anywhere. Build it to look fantastically beautiful. Then direct all the transport into there. Anybody landed from airport will first of all land at Marina. Then tell me how somebody will come to Marina, from Marina, viewing everywhere in Lagos Marina, and somehow from that Marina you can as well see Eco Atlantic from the other side. And now that they are building Calabar Highway, more skyscraper rising from here and there. Tell me how somebody will laugh at Lagos again. Because it will have center, it will have a place. Now, when everybody is talking about Lagos, your mind will only go to Marina. It will not be diversified, because when people talk about Lagos, you don't have anything in your mind, because Lagos does not have center. Your mind may go to Makoko, it may go to Ajegule, it may go to Eco Atlantic, it could also go to Lekki, and it could go to anywhere. This is not how a country or a state is developed. If you say London, your mind is going somewhere. That is exactly how it is. Your mind is not going to Port Village, because London has center. If you say Madrid, your mind is going somewhere. Even if your mind is not going somewhere, it will go to the club and within that area of Bernabeu Stadium, and that is what you will see. But Madrid is not like that. It's not. That is not how Madrid is. There are places that junkie live in Madrid, but it will not come to your mind, because what you see is Real Madrid football, Bernabeu, where they celebrate and touch train station. These are what you see. Why Lagos don't have a place like that? This Marina will cover all those things. That when you say Lagos, you will remember this jetty, you will remember water, you will remember Coastal Way, you will then begin to remember this fancy place. Your mind will not go to Makoko and Ajegule. Well, I'm just talking about the importance of this type of development, okay? So it helps a lot, so that when you think about the place, your mind will first of all go there. And that is why city center is important. Because city center means whenever anybody tell you he is going to a city, their mind will go to that one city center, the center. And that center, if there is no center, your mind cannot pinpoint to one place, you begin to think about Agboro, yellow buses. All those imagination will be coming into your mind because there is no city center. So thank to Lagos government for creating city center, which will make people to only think about this city center whenever they say, I'm traveling to Lagos. When somebody say, I'm traveling to Lagos, his mind will be into this park first before anything. This is why people don't joke with their city center. They put it inside their city. You come out, you are coming out from the real city. Not side of the city. No. The most developed area. Everything looks clean. It's being respected everywhere. You are coming out from their train. From the city center, you come out, you look around, either taxi or whatever, everything look like something you've never seen before. I thank these physical planners or town planners for them to think about this and try to bring it into reality. This will change the way people view Nigeria and Lagos. Thank you very much for watching. I know it that you've been watching Prizers TV. So we talk about development happening across Africa and Nigeria, and in particular, and so many places anyway. So wherever we see development, we talk about it. And because there are so many developments happening in Nigeria which nobody talks about. There are many. I have never seen a country that have projects like Nigeria, and people neglect it. Why? Because they don't have city center. See, all these tall buildings, and the people are still laughing at Nigeria. Why? The town planners never existed. If they had, they could have built the city center, decorate it like crazy. Once you land in airport, first of all, you land at the city center. Your mind will cool first. All the buildings around will look different from any other place. Do you think that China don't have a slump? They have places that look very dirty. But your mind will not go there when you think about China. Do you think New York you hear about does not look ugly? There are places they are sleeping on the street in New York, but your mind will not go there because that place is not the city center. Your mind will go into the Manhattan when you say, let me visit New York City. The problem our people have is city center. And that is why I have been promoting Addis Ababa, talking good about Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa found out this mistake, that African cities are making mistake. They began to create a city center. 4 years ago, go there now. Everybody is going to have Addis Ababa to vlog for a road of 1.5 kilometers. Clean their name forever. 1.5 kilometers. You don't reach 2 kilometers. But they try, create pedestrian walkway, rebuild their streets, put fancy electric lights. Exactly like Dubai. Make sure they spend money like they didn't know what they were doing. He cleaned the name of Addis Ababa. He cleaned the name completely. If Nigeria want to do so, this place must be consciously developed in another form. Not only development alone, but all the development that the government will focus on must be here first before anything. I'm not talking about house. Plantation. Palm trees. As if you don't know what we are doing. Street lights that look beautiful. Not all this Yamanima street light. No. Design it like Dubai. Buy it. Stuff like that. What Marina, how many kilometers are in Marina? Marina Road. It's not up to 3 kilometers. But nobody's even saying decorate the whole 3 kilometers. They decorate only within this bus terminal, which is 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometers. Then you see the beauty of that Marina skyline that you'll be seeing Marina, and you'll be seeing tall buildings with the water. Promotion will come from there. Anybody want to talk about Lagos, the picture will be emerging. That is what they will be putting at the background of Arise News and Channel TV, NTA, so on and so forth. That is what life is all about. It's brain. And what these people have started doing, I love it. And I hope they do what Ethiopia did, which is Addis Ababa, by turning Addis Ababa into a different place. Just 1.5 kilometer. 1.5 kilometer. So, and after seeing what they have on board, I know their plan is going to work. It's going to work, and they are even going to do better. So, thank you very much for watching, and we will be following this development up because the construction has already commenced. They have approved it, and the construction now they have started the cleaning and so on and so forth. So, all the things that will be happening there, we will be bringing it live here, and we will be seeing it as it progresses. So, thank you very much for watching. I know it that we'll be watching Prices TV.